Okay, got the beautiful American pop. But I got it on here just to get your attention. Because some fucking idiot, not naming names, is fucking, I think, getting their friends to fucking rate my videos as ones to lower the ratings. Because at one time, they were all fives. Most of them, anyway. I know they're shitty videos, but still. You know what I mean? So, it's kind of pissing me off. Don't really know why. Because I could care less, I guess. But, I would like more of a one-on-one with, this so-called, idiot. Get a hold of me, buddy.